everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to edit a video on TikTok. Before moving on, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to our channel WebTech Tutorials for helpful web tutorials and solution to your web problems. Now let's move on. So, to edit a video on TikTok, first of all you must record a nice video on TikTok, and after that you need to go to the plus sign and open the video that you want to upload from your gallery, and after that select the video and tap on next button at the bottom. Then here you will see the selected video. So at the bottom you can see how long is the video selected, and you also have the timer over here. And then after you have done editing this rotation and timing of this video, you can tap on the next button at the top right corner. So now you can also edit this video in many ways. You can see at the right side there are filters. You can add filters to this video. Next you have the voice effects. If you have anyone speaking in this video, if you have audio, then you can change those audios into different kinds of effects available on TikTok. Next you have the voiceover, which means you can again speak in this video separately and change the voice. You can tap on the drop down button, and you can also see you can manage the volume of the video sound. And at the bottom you can see you can add more sounds and music to your video. You can select these music from the playlist of TikTok. TikTok has offered you lots of music. There are songs for dance, music, sports, and other funny sounds as well. Beside it you can see you have the effects that you can make for your video, how you want your video to turn out. You have the visual effects, stickers, transition, split, and time. You can manage these and update your video accordingly. And next you have text over here at the bottom. You can see you can add text if you want to about what your video is about, and you can also change their style of your text like this. And lastly you have the stickers. You have lots of stickers on TikTok like this. You can choose one of them and add it on your video to create more effect on it. And then after that you tap on the next button at the bottom. Then the effects and text will be saved on your video. And lastly you can post this video on your TikTok profile. So I hope you have learned how to edit a video on TikTok. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you have learned a lot about editing video on TikTok. Do like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials on our channel. If you have any questions and queries, mention them on the comment section below.